Today's video is all about Shine Armour's FORTIFY Quick Coat. I'm going to be delving right in, putting it to the test, and hopefully finding out if it's worth it. So what is it exactly? They say it's a one-step solution for washing, protecting, and leaving a glossy finish. It's advertised as a waterless wash with an SiO2 ceramic formula made up within it. I'm going to be going over its overall performance, finding out what it can do well and not so well. Now with that being said, I think it's time to get straight into the test video.
The car I have with me to test Shine Armour is the mighty VT Commodore. As you can tell, there is a fine layer of dust and other mess, but a perfect opportunity to test its waterless wash capabilities. I started by having a damp waffle weave towel, sprayed it down with a quick coat, then doubling up by spraying over the selected work area. All going well, it should help to emulsify the mess, to create a safer way of cleaning a surface over just water and a towel. It should feel slick and glide across as it collects the mess. It's quite hard to tell if it did help with the slickness, but it was doing a great job of cleaning the selected area. Once completed that area, I used a second towel to immediately buff any residue from the quick coat. It felt quite slippery now under the towel, which did build confidence. As stated, it does feel nice and slick. It does look far superior, so before wetting the car down, I applied another layer directly over where I'd been, spraying down the now clean panel, spreading it and then buffing it off. We can now bring on the water and see those protective capabilities. No streaks left. It felt far superior than the other side, and a nice gloss was left behind. Does it work as a quick method of cleaning your car? Yes, it does clean, it does shine, so that's just another opinion on FORTIFY Quick Coat by Shine Armour. I think I'll finish up on that note and close up this video. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to check out the socials.